Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Beauty Secret by Samira, and I'm back with another new video. Today I'm going to share with you a cleanser review from Cetaphil. Watch on for more details. Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser. I hope this video is helpful to all. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with family and friends. Now let's get started. First of all, I'm saying that how's that packaging. So this cleanser comes in a pump dispenser packaging and the packaging is really good. And this cleanser consistency is very lightweighted and gel-like formula, and this cleanser is very effective for our skin, and this cleanser removes excess oil without drying skin or producing any significant irritation, and it has a lightly foaming action and leaves the skin with a clean feeling without any residue. The gentle soap-free rinse of formulation is designed to remove surface oils, dirt and makeup without leaving the skin feeling tight or overly dry. It is a non-comedogenic product, does not clog your pores, and there is a light fragrance which washes off after rinsing. So this cleanser ideal for morning and evening facial cleansing, and it has a gentle foaming action that leaves the skin with a clean feeling without any irritating residue. Suitable for teenagers and adults with combination oily or spot-prone skin. Basically, this product designed for normal to oily skin, and the cleanser is effective for deep pore cleaning. So this product is very effective and it is pH balanced, non-comedogenic and ideal for regular basis cleansing, and this cleanser clinically proven to reduce oily skin in 2 weeks. And this product is clinically proven to deepen the skin and remove excess oil without drying. So now I'm saying that how to use this product. Massage a small amount onto wet skin, then rinse off. So yeah, this is the video. I hope this video is helpful to all. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with family and friends.